Yo guys, what's up? It's Ricky from Dance is Dope, and today we're going to be doing a beginner b-boy threads tutorial. Now I'm going to teach you 4 different threads today, all down, all nice and easy, and all real quick to learn, yeah? So let's get straight into the first one. So what you're going to do is start down like this. So you want to start in a straddle type position. Now if you're flexible, you'll be able to keep your legs straight for this one. If not, I'd advise bending them just a little bit, yeah? Now you're going to bring your left foot underneath your right knee. So here, you're going to grab the end of that left foot. Make sure it's right on the end of that left foot, yeah? So your right hand, grabbing that left foot. From here, you're going to bring your right knee in. So in as high as you can. Now you're aiming to bring your right foot through that gap. So you're going to bring your right foot through that gap. As you're doing that, you're going to pull that foot up and bring it to your knee. And that'll be a complete thread, yeah? So let's do that again. So left foot comes underneath. Grab it with right hand. Now your right knee is coming in. You're going to bring that foot through that gap, bring it up to here, yeah? Now from there you can bring it back through. So what you're going to do is bend that knee back in. You're going to bring that right foot through this gap. So through there and back through to here, yeah? Good. Let's go one more time. Nice and easy, as I said. You can learn these real quick. We'll get these smashed out. So that left foot coming underneath. Grab it with right hand. Bring that right knee in. You're going to bring your foot through that gap. Bring it onto your knee. You can bring it back through that gap and to here. Boom. There's thread number 1. Thread number 2, what we're going to do is you're going to start with your knees slightly bent for this one. You can keep them straight if you're flexible. I like to have mine slightly bent anyway. So left hand is going to grab across to right foot. Now what you're going to do, this left foot is going to come through this gap. So left foot is going to come through that gap. You're going to pull that right foot back to here, and if you like, you can come down, hit a little freeze, hit a little pose, then you're going to bring it back through. So you're going to bend that left leg in, that left foot is coming through that gap, and you can come back out to where you started. Yeah? Nice. Let's go one more time with that one, nice and easy. So left hand, grabbing across to your right foot, bring that left foot through that gap, so all the way through there, and you can pull it back and hit that nice little pose. You can bring it up to here, you can grab here, change it up however you like, add your own style, yeah? From there, that left foot is going to come back through that gap, and you're going to come back up to where you started, yeah? Boom. There's thread number 2. Now, we will recap all these threads at the end, so make sure you stick along till the end, and we'll go through them all, make sure we got them good, yeah? Okay, thread number 3. We're going to do a body thread for thread number 3, yeah? So what you're going to do with this one is you're going to start down here in neutral. Now you're going to bring your hands in front here. Come to an A-frame position. Now you can start in neutral, you can start it in A-frame, you can start standing up, wherever is easiest for this one, yeah? But you can start neutral, or you can start out in your A-frame here, which is like the 3rd step of your 6th step. Now what you're going to do is you're going to give your legs a little hop up at the back, and you're going to cross them, and they're going to come through this gap. So you're using your legs to thread through that gap. So you're going to hop, cross your legs, thread them through that gap, and here you can just roll out of it. You can come somewhere, you can come into your footwork, anywhere at all. We're actually going to link 2 threads. We're going to link this body thread with another thread in a minute. The next one I'll teach you, yeah? But let's do that again. I'll go from the side. So you're going to start it out. Let's start it out in that A-frame. Might be nice, a little bit easier. So you're starting out in that A-frame. You're going to hop your legs up a little at the back, cross your legs, drag them through that gap, and then from here, you're going to roll back, because that's where we're going to hit the next thread, yeah? One more time, I'll show you from the other side. So starting that A-frame here, you're going to hop your legs up a little at the back, cross, thread them through, and roll it back, yeah? Nice. There's thread number 3, onto thread number 4. So what we're going to do for thread number 4, it's kind of using number 1 with a roll back, so we can link 3 and 4 together, yeah? So what you're going to do is you're going to roll back like this. Now you can bring any foot under here. I'm going to bring my right foot behind. I'm going to grab it with my left hand, and I'm going to thread it through like this as I'm rolling back, yeah? So you're going to roll back, right foot comes behind your left knee, grab it with your left hand, thread it through, then roll back forwards and finish it out here, yeah? So we'll go from the side. So you're going to roll it back. I'm going to grab this foot, so it's going to come behind. So the right foot behind, grab it with the left hand. You're going to come through to here, and then down. Let's go one more time to the other side. So you're going to go this side, you're going to roll it back, bring that foot underneath, well behind, thread it through, and back through. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to link together threads 3 and 4. So what you're going to do is you're going to start it in that A-frame here, you're gonna hop, thread through, you're gonna roll it back, grab that foot, thread, and come through to here, yeah? Let's go down 2 more. So from this angle, we start it in the A-frame, thread number 3, you body thread it through, you're gonna roll back, grab that foot, thread, and back up, yeah? Nice, one more time. Then we'll recap all of these threads. So we start it here, you're hitting that body thread, so you jump, cross them legs, roll back, grab that foot, thread it through, and back forwards. There we go, nice. Okay, so let's recap them threads real quick, yeah? So thread number 1, we start it down here. You're gonna bring your left foot underneath, grab it with your right hand, bring that right foot in, through that gap, bring it here on top of your knee, then try and bring it back through. Obviously with all these threads, you wanna practice on the other side as well, so do that as well, yeah? Thread number 2, you're gonna bend your knee slightly in, left hand, grab across the right foot, that left foot is gonna come through that gap, pull this foot back, and you're gonna come back through, back to where you started, yeah? Thread number 3 is our body thread. So we start it in that A-frame, you're gonna hop, press them legs, and roll it back. You're gonna aim to get that one nice and smooth, yeah? Lift them hips. Then, number 4 is where we roll back, grab that foot, thread it through, and roll forwards. Obviously, if you go a little quicker, you don't really want to have a stop in that roll back, yeah? You want to make sure you get it one into the other. Boom. Okay, so there is 4 nice, easy beginner b-boy threads. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring some more difficult threads. I do have a jump thread tutorial on the channel, so I'll link that in the description so you guys can jump straight onto that, yeah? But there it is, 4 nice, easy b-boy threads. If you did enjoy today's video, be sure to hit that like button, smash the subscribe button to join the Dance's Dope family, hit that bell notification button to get notified every time we upload. We're working on 2 uploads a week and we're currently uploading 3 dance styles, so we're keeping it busy for you guys, yeah? If there's anything you guys do want to ask me, any questions at all, or just want to chat, then leave a comment down below. I do reply to absolutely every single one of you guys, so thank you. Check out all the links in the description. Click here to visit the channel, see all the videos, and click here to jump onto your next tutorial, yeah? Appreciate you guys. See you in the next one.